That's right, we're hitting up garage sales. Bonafide Hustler here, and let's see what we find on this garage sale video. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the smallest spaceship on Earth, and we are hitting up garage sales right now. We're in the mix, and we're gonna see what we can find. We have nothing in the spaceship right now, and today's mission is to find used goods that we can resell for more money. If you're new to this channel, make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell button, hit the like, hit a comment, and yeah, there's also a free guide if you want to learn how to do some of this stuff. It's the first link down below. Go check it out. It'll teach you 50 items that you can start looking for. All right, so my girlfriend's over there. I don't know if she's making a deal or whatever, but we're trying to zoom through this garage sale neighborhood-wide garage sales, and we have a map. You can kind of see right there. It shows all these little dots where everything is, and we are running around hunting for these dots. And when we're at the dots, we're going to be hunting for certain goods. We'll see what we can find on this video. All right, we pulled up the 2 garage sales, and we don't know what we're gonna find here, but we're gonna go real fast. Okay, so we went to this garage sale right here, and we found 2 pairs of boots. One's a pair of Lucchese's, the other one, I don't know what the other pair is. But anyway, these are Lucchese's right here, $5 each. These right here should sell for about 100, and the black one should sell for maybe like 50 at the booth. Also got some wetsuit seat covers for the car. So that's the first scores of the morning. We found them at a garage sale. That was right there. So we just came from this garage sale right here. I do see a lady putting out stuff right here. But anyway, we popped on this weird $1 cat lamp. This is one of the most bizarre things we've ever seen. Don't know if it works, but for $1, it's definitely worth taking a gamble on. It's probably gonna sell in the booth for like 40 to 50. And if it does turn on, maybe 80. So something like this is totally weird and totally one of a kind. From this garage sale right here, girlfriend and I, we just picked up this Bombay. It's made by Bombay, or that's where it was sold, but it is $10. It's a mirror that's like a sunburst kind of mirror. It's really cool looking. Anyway, so this one is going to the booth for about 100. We also got a bunch of trucker hats from another garage sale, and I'll show you that real quick. I mean, a ton of trucker hats for like different subject matter, you know? Pretty cool. We got a Budweiser one right here. $1 for each hat. Each hat will go in the booth between like 10 and 15. They're trucker hats, so pretty good score right there. All right, so we came from another garage sale, but I forgot to film this part. We got this cool Redline bike for 35 bucks, and it is a nice little kind of cross bike with interesting brakes. You know, it's the cross style brakes. So anyway, yeah, this will probably sell for, I don't know, if I get through it and it works really well, maybe 2, maybe. It just all depends on how much work it needs, but I like tinkering with stuff like this. We're definitely gonna lock it up. And we're at a church right now that has a church garage sale, and I don't know where this garage sale is, or if it's on the back side of the church, but there's supposed to be a church garage sale somewhere here, and we're gonna go check it out. All right, so the church garage sale actually isn't in the church, it's outside of the church right here, and we'll see what we can find. Let's go look around. All right, we found some cool stuff, and we paid $5 for these polo boots. They're kind of cool. Gonna go in the booth. Unsure of the price, probably like 50 bucks. And then we got a bunch of skulls and one actual like mounted, looks like I guess a deer skull. But anyway, yeah, we got 3 of these things. There's some more antlers here, and we got them for 40 bucks. That should go in the booth. This one right here in the booth, mounted. Already is about 100. The rest of them are just profit. Pretty cool. And then we got this like overall looking thing. It's got corduroy overalls, and that was like $1. That'll go in the booth for like
flowers on it.
Yeah, it's got some embroidery or some flowers on it, and this will go in the booth for about 30 to 50. It's $1 right here. So this is what we found so far. Maybe we'll find some more things. We're not sure. We'll see. So we step out of this church right here, and there's an estate sale right here. I went to it, peed it around. It was pretty cool. There's some cool things. Bought this felt hat for $1. This will go in the booth for about 30 to 50. Nothing crazy, but yeah, it's a pretty nice hat. It's a vintage hat, which is cool. They said their grandmother wore it like way back in the day. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. So this is gonna go in the booth. We found another church garage sale right here. It's really neat. And we bought this thing. My girlfriend bought this.
Athleta?
Yep. This Athleta
rain jacket.
She thinks it's gonna probably sell for like 50 to 100. She spent, I think, $1 on it. Basically about $1. We spent 10 for everything here, but this was the bigger one. I got some pair of shorts, shirt, and these cool fish shirts that I think are gonna do well in the booth. They'll probably sell for 20 to 30 in the booth each. Those are pretty neat. So, but yeah, I think the big score here would be this thing. This is nice.
I think I'm gonna keep it for me.
Keep it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, she don't want to be on the video today, but anyway, so yeah, pretty nice jacket. Okay, so the video is a little on the short side today because I just didn't film as many things as I should have been filming. But
gonna get this video out to you guys. Garage sales are in full swing, and this video was something this was a Saturday that was 4 days ago, right? One of the things that we try to do is we try to get the items within 1 or 2 days where they need to go, all right? So they need to be listed, or the bike needs to be listed. The things that belong in the antique booth need to be at the booth. So we try to really practice that and get that like up and running to where on a Monday, like everything is just running, We like to make the money work for us pretty quick. As of the filming right now, a couple things, there are 4 things that never made it on the video for some reason. I don't know why. 2 really cool antique candle holders that were kind of brassy that came from that church garage. So I don't know why we didn't film this. And then we got this like goblet kind of piece that had a marble base. And that was, those 3 pieces, there was 2 candle holders, 1 little goblet piece, that was $3. And then we bought this like horn that was made out of like an actual horn of an animal, like a longhorn, they hollowed it. It was hollow and like, it looks like one of those, I don't know how to explain it, like a Davy Crockett, horn. So as of this video, 4 of the hats have sold, the trucker hats, right? 3 of them paid $13.88 a piece. And then the last one, which was the Budweiser one that you guys saw, that one actually netted me $21. The overalls had sold, that netted about $15. And then what else sold? Oh yeah, the horn that you never saw in the video, that sold, and that netted around $18. So those are some of the things that have sold in 4 days. But it's a good thing to practice. Like as soon as you get stuff, like just get it listed, take the time while everything's fresh in your mind, just take the time and, put the tags on things or take pictures and then put them where it needs to be. It's the best piece of advice I can give you guys when you're getting into this kind of game. So anyway, that's pretty much the video, and I hope you enjoy it. There's so much more garage sale stuff coming along. I have like 4 videos to edit. For some reason, I'm doing this one right now out of sequence. But if you're enjoying this stuff, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.